Hey, what up YouTube? So today I'm finally gonna show you what is my turntable case looks like. This is my homemade case. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna show you all the process, how I did this. Start from the scratch, from carpentry to painting and wiring. Yep. What up YouTube? We're building today a homemade DJ case. I just went to Home Depot and buy this plywood. It's half an inch thick, about $50 each. And as soon as I got here is I got my measurements here ready. So bear with me guys, we're gonna assemble this. All my measurements. And my doggy. Brothers, my fucking circular saw fuck up on me. Look how crooked this shit is. This fucking thing is shot, piece of shit. So I pulled out my table saw. This is what I'm gonna use from now on. This shit is not cutting straight. See, that is perfect straight. This is what we want. This is what we want. All right, I'm gonna make another one. All right, mga kabrothers. Mga kabrothers, just watch and learn, mga kabrothers. Make it hot, drop, drop. Wet ass pussy. My top, rear, and sides. Look at this. So now what we're gonna do now is make another cut. Or what I like to do. Trying to see which side is look better. Whatever side looks better, I'm gonna make that shit like the top of it. So I guess this is gonna be the top of it. This side looks better than this, I think. My opinion. But I ain't got no minion. For my opinion, but I ain't got no minion. I said, I took the measurement from here, right? I'm gonna cut this shit in the center. That way, it could be a top and the actual case. So what we wanted to do, I said like 3.5, right? So that's about right. That's about right. So we're gonna move this guard to this side here. Top and bottom. We have top and bottom now. So my turntable is, what the fuck, it's upside down. Turntable is 14 by 18. And then we'll have a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch insulation from this side and 1/4 inch insulation on this side. So let's mark that up. So 4 inch over there, and then 1/4 inch, and then wall. It's the wall. So I'm gonna divide. Alright, 15 inch, and then another 15 inch. Make sure everything is squared, nice and flat. Alright guys, sorry for cutting off my video. My GoPro ran out of battery. So by the way, here what we did is I already cut the holes for the handle, and then a speak-on, power speak-on, the Nutric one, it's gonna go there. And then another handle. And then what I got here is I'm gonna put a output master XLR in this too, and then 1/4 inch, 3/4 inch for left and right output, and then a microphone input. So it's fucking raining now. Everything is sunning down. I'm about to spray paint it so I can start wiring it and putting up the panel. So stay with me, guys. Alright, so we're gonna spray this. Shake it well. I got a Rust-Oleum black. so now I got the insulation installed here around the unit. For now on, I just put up my PLX and my S7 to test fit them. By the way, the material that I use is the yoga mat from Five Below. It's about half of an inch thickness. So what we're gonna do is get the measurement of the height of the inside piece, which is 3 inches and 3/4. So I already did that measurement. Okay, so now after you cut your insulation in the perfect height, you might wanna put this on the floor like that. I'm using the 3M spray-on adhesive. So what we wanted to do is just spray it here. Oops. Alright, so what we're doing here, so I got the case set up here in my studio. So we got the power speak on here. I already put the power strip, trying to run a cable, the power for my turntable mixer and another turntable here. So what I got is I got the female end going into this slot here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna solder this and I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna come out like this and solder it in this side here. So the same for the audios too. So we're about to see that in a minute. I got the extension cord here. I mean extension cord. Power strip, and then splice it to this power notch rig, which is like everything is plugged into this power strip. Everything sits perfect. All this cabling here, this is always intact, plugged in. We don't have to let's say we're going out to play. I'm not even gonna touch anything of this. Everything is good to go because I soldered all of this outputs here and input microphone. So what we got here is we got no trick connectors. I got 2 master out XLR and 2 output, which is the booth, and 1 XLR for the microphone. I'm not using a 1/4 inch. So everything came out nice, you know. Let's try to plug my power cord that I what do you call this shit, that I modify. So again, everything comes on because I forgot to shut that off. Because I forgot to shut that off. Mixer. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, buddy. The lid. I'll show you the lid. Show you. Look at this fucking mess. Not good. So this is my homemade turntable case. DJ Sun. This is the case. So not bad. Got my fucking DDJ 1000. Not bad. Not bad. Let's say I'll probably spend like let's say about $100. Not bad for the price. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Thank you guys for watching. You already know. DJ Sun. Yep.